Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Today I wanted to share with you some finds that I picked up at the thrift store. I'm really excited to show you these. Some of them are going to be DIYs that I will create for decor either at my house or at the cottage. And I'm looking for a lot of more coastal themed and beachy themed items that I can add to my cottage decor. So I'm constantly looking for newer and updated things to add to the decor up there. So hope you enjoy the video and hope you get some inspiration. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this wonderful glass, I guess you could call it a vase or jar with the ribs in it. I think it was just really cool. It's got that nice sort of green glass look to it. It was $3.99 and it's very heavy, so I think I might use this on the counter at my cottage for utensils, to put taller utensils in. So that might be really great to use for that. If the utensils don't fit in there, I'm sure I will find somewhere else to put this. Another find was this little photo box. I don't think I'll use it as a photo box. It was only $1.99. It's just kind of like very thin plywood. What I really bought it for was these handles. So there's one handle like this on each side, and for $1.99 I could not resist getting that. So if I use the box, I may use the handles on a different piece, but I thought that's sort of like an apothecary cabinet kind of look, so I wanted to grab that as well. Another sort of box item that I picked up, this is actually a candle lantern, and it has a nice little metal holder here where you can hang it. I probably will take that holder out. It actually just pops out very easily, and it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it up, and I'll probably give it another coat of chalk paint. There is a spot to put a candle down there. I'm not really into candles so much. I picked this up for $2.99. I just thought that was a really neat item to use to either store something or maybe as some type of decor. So the next item is a mirror. The bedrooms in my cottage right now don't have a lot of mirrors, so I thought this would be a nice one. It's round, and of course it looks more coastal, I think. It needs some new paint. The mirror itself is fine. I paid $2.99 for this guy. It also has like a stand-up frame sort of thing at the back, so you could use it as a stand-up. It's also got a hook here so you can hang it on the wall. That's probably what I'll do. I'm probably gonna add some nautical rope and do something with it. I might even add some handles, so I have another ship's wheel. I just did a ship's wheel DIY. I will link that in the description box below, but I might do something like that with this as well. So lastly, for the cottage, check him out. I couldn't resist. He's a cool little loon. He was $3.99. He is ceramic, so I'm not going to do anything with him. He looks really good the way he is. He's probably just going to get set on a cabinet, maybe by the TV or on a coffee table, so people can enjoy the loon. We get lots of loons at our cottage. There's a couple of them on the lake. I picked this up. This, I believe, is called a cloche, I think. This is a really heavy top, and this is a solid teak bottom. On the back it says solid teak, made in Thailand. I just figured I would pick this up. I thought it would be neat to either display something. I might keep this the wood color. I probably will, because it is teak and it's a nice color. I don't know if I'm going to use this as a Christmas decor to maybe make it sort of a snow globe effect, or if I'm actually going to use it to serve food, desserts, cheeses, that kind of thing. But I think this guy's going to stay home. It's not going to go to the cottage. It's a little too fancy for at the cottage. This chalkboard I picked up for $1.99. It's pretty rough looking, so if I wanted to use it as a chalkboard, I probably would have to give it a new coat of chalk paint. This design on the top is cute, but I don't know if I will keep that kind of little Mennonite or Amish horse and buggy there. So it is a cute design, but I think I would probably paint it and possibly even create a sign out of it, put it this way, or maybe hang it that way. But something's gonna happen with this, so look forward to that DIY in the future. This was a super find. It is just a piece of wood frame. I don't know if it was actually used as a window frame. I'm pretty sure it was just some decor. This was $4.99, and just for the wood itself, very worth the money. I think I'm probably going to paint this and maybe put some type of backing on it, and it's gonna fit perfectly over my window that I created, my faux window frames in my bedroom. I will also link that video down in the description box below. If you haven't seen that, you can go check it out. I've got some shutters included with that, so I thought this would be a really nice addition. If I can find some small picture frames that I can easily cut and make this into glass as well, I might do that. So you can also look forward to a DIY for this. The last item that I picked up, I've been looking for something like this for a really long time. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. So you guys know about those potato bins and the onion bins that are all wooden, and they're really tall and they're narrow. I'm looking for something that I can put underneath my countertop, just where I house my recycled items while I'm cooking, and then they get taken out to the garage. Right now I just have a white bin there, a white trash basket, and I really don't like the look of that. So it's gotta be better. So anyway, I found this, not sure if it's gonna work for that, but the second option is that this might turn into a trash can for the cottage. And I think that's probably where I'm leaning. So I'm gonna just pick this up. It is big. It's a big wooden bin or trash can. I'm just gonna flip it around here. Excuse my not being able to see my face. So here it is. This is a huge bin that I picked up, and I think it's so cool. It has a latch here. It's got the chains so it stays up. Then it's also, this is for garbage. It's got the wooden straps here to hold on the garbage bag. And when you close it up, you can easily just toss things into the garbage. I definitely won't be keeping this country effect on it, this painted that it's got there. I think what I'll end up doing is painting this part white and painting the lid of it maybe like the Serenity blue or a beachy coastal blue, and using this as a trash can at my cottage. So I love it. It was $12.99, so a little bit pricey, but when I saw it, I just couldn't resist. I had to grab it. So, and it actually has these little knobs on either side too, which I'm assuming you can probably hang things there if you needed to. So that's the end of my thrift haul for today. The majority of items that I did pick up were glasses for my cottage again. So I did grab a bunch of glasses and some Corelle plates and different things like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.